It's been a while. 4 years ago. Let's do this again. Okay, this is the road. And so it begins. Tumas na tayo. Alright, come to the top. And of course, take a deep breath, enjoy the view. Fresh air. Yan ang upaw. There is everything. Alright, it's 6:53 in the morning. So, Cowboys camp. Alright, so what's in here? So, hindi ka rin naman. Camp. So, review. Review of mga farms. So, Cowboys camp. Then, basta. So, okay, kapi ko ka na doon. Alright, so, okay kayo din for one fine morning, 6:30 in the morning. Camping, Lucobeto, Camao. This is the view from the top. Alright, so camping, of course, I enjoy. Take the view. Enjoy the view. Hindi rason na yung view. So yeah, Mama is there. Always camp. Or reggae music, of course. Yeah. Sige tayo. Tukar rin yan ba? Heavy metal, oh. Yan tayo. So, ito na yung mga amigo na rin yun. Atas yung kilio. So, again. Morning view, morning fresh air. Good morning. So, di ba naman ito malay-balay makamulan? Ini sa ta. Mabukid na, kagugot na tayo. Ayan, ata. Oh, mahilig mo o boluloy nga authentic kayo. Ibot na mga tika-amulan na din. Cowboys camp, right? Oh.